It's all nice to meet you. DOT is the global leader in developing the most unique technologies to help disabled people around the world. I'm Eric Jun Kim. I studied in University of Washington in Seattle, and I was one of the 30 under 30 Forbes Asia in social entrepreneurs. We are a social impact company and heavily invested in patents. So we have over 100 patents globally, and we raised so far $11 million as a Series B. So what I want to cover today is about smart city for all. Smart city is a growing market, as you guys know, but there is a part for inclusivity, which is giving full accessibility in every core services for disabled people, elderly people, and foreigner people. And this is really weak point for every smart city so far. And smart building alone is $66 billion market, but actually, if you see this inclusive part, there's so many lawsuits against this smart building. And in terms of the ADA law, every disabled people have a right to feel equal enjoyment in every buildings. And right now is lawsuit is growing really rapidly. Every year about 30%. That is only one company decreased this kind of things. We realize that old infra really doesn't have special needs. And if you see that as data, it's about 30% of population in total. So we are creating Dot IoT infra. It's actually very free smart city for all people. And Dot can make any public institution as the ranking #1 in inclusivity. And as you guys know, pandemic also makes non-face-to-face infrastructures, and this has actually happened the same for the disabled people too.
The first step we have taken towards guaranteeing mobility rights for all is launching Dot Kiosk.
Dot Kiosk integrates the Dot display with a range of other accessibility technologies to create an inclusive information delivery system.
So as you just saw, we have the most accessible kiosk for the world, and we have the most high standard above the ADA. We have the digital tactile display, which is the first way of blind people can see actual digital map for the first time. And there's a sign language AI supported, AI voice supported. All the highest standard functions are here. And not just that, we have dot inside navigation, which is here you can see we actually put it in one of the biggest subway station in South Korea. We decreased normally if you want to cover entire subway station area, you need more than 100 beacons. But with our technology, we decrease it by 5 beacons to cover entire subway station area. It's a big area. And with this, we actually made this kind of inside navigation app. We can track exact location in every spaces. So most dramatical case for this, blind person, before our technology, he could not find even toilet, but with our technology, he can go wherever he want to go. And this is same, this applies for any citizens or any elderly people, any disabled people. And also we have DotGo AI.
I've been dealing with all kinds of expensive tools, all for different situations.
DotGo is here to change that. A free smartphone app for the visually impaired that can detect objects in the distance.
Person in 1.8 meters.
And connect them to action.
Brandenburg Gate very far away. Taking a picture.
Any object can be connected to any action. Painting.
Blaues Pferd ein.
Can tell you a story.
Blaues Pferd ist der Bildtitel eines.
A bus stop
Timetable.
can give you your connection and ticket.
You will arrive at 7:07 p.m.
A product
Barcode.
can remove itself from.
So like this, with our dot accessible kiosk in dot inside dot AI, we can make any infrastructures and city in the world ranking #1 in inclusivity. We are the most advanced tech leader in this place. And in Tractions, we have $20 million contract with one of the city in South Korea. We are implementing this technology in 114 subway stations so far. And we are expanding this solution in France, Hong Kong, and Dubai. Not just that, we are expanding this to any kind of government building right now. As you can see, Federation of Persons with Disability in South Korea, we are implementing our systems, and also like, I think maybe you guys know Gangnam Style, and this is most crowded area, and we are putting in the district offices. So we are looking for strongest partner in each country, and I know that US is the way to go, and we are actively looking any partners and any investment or any kind of joint venture opportunity in the US right now. Thank you for listening. We really dream of a world where truly everyone enjoys and fulfill their lives.
Hi, Eric. This is Robert from Activate. Great presentation. Thank you. Curious, what is your ideal partner for working in the U.S.? Like, who is your ideal partner for JV or getting your product into market?
Well, the first important point is who want to gain revenue in this unique market. This is really new market in terms of smart city. Many smart city, many categories of smart city market is already developed, but this market is really new, and I would say it's gold mine. So think about it. Any public building can be our customers, and we can make a subscription model right now for every buildings, and this is highly profitable market. So we are looking for any organizations or any companies who want to develop with us. And if they have specialties in B2G, like government side, it would be really nice. Yeah, we're looking for that. And we are collaborating with a lot of universities right now. For example, ASU, Arizona State University, we are collaborating with one of the professor in there to develop the most highest standard that can apply in any states in the US. So yeah, we're actively looking for any kinds of partnerships.
Hey, Eric, Adam from Mobileye. Quick question here. Just a clarification question, actually. Did we saw two different products? We have the kiosk, and then we have the .go, which is actually an app. Is that correct? Great.
Right.
Can you maybe elaborate a bit?
It's actually all combining, yeah.
Can you elaborate a bit on the .go competition? First question, and second, are you considering a go-to-market approach of where you're just servicing the capability and software to other vendors and not necessarily via your application?
Well, in terms of technology, we've been focusing on this AI, graphic recognition area for a long time, and we are applying this to many blind people right now, and in Europe also actively using our technology. So I think this is all about the data, and we are a free platform, so many people liked it. And our competition in this area actually charge a lot of cost for customers, but our strategy right now is just give free platform that can recognize any kind of images and graphics, and we connect that to the actions. So it's not just about recognizing, we're more like making AI automation process. And this is like, you can just think of like a library, and if you go, like, for example, like a certain airport, any blind person can download that library and he can use it for the navigation purpose and getting information purpose. And to answer your second questions, is that we are also looking for that, but right now we think that the inclusivity market alone is really highly profitable, and we see a lot of opportunities right now. So we are focusing on this industry right now. But of course, we are looking for any other opportunity that collaborate with the mobility size and everything. But right now we are focusing on this public, inclusive infrastructures right now.
Are you maybe familiar with OrCam? company?
Yeah, Orcam, we know well.
Yeah, okay.
And you know, as you know, or you know, if you know Orcam, it's the glasses alone is more than $2,000, and
Right.
I know there's like a MyMe, but this still cost, you know. But like you know, the way that we want to apply is for really everyone, and we want to go to market really fast. So we are in free platform. Rather than that, we charge to businesses and governments. So basically, citizens can enjoy technology, but we actually charge it to the government and infrastructures.